Today I will guide you all. How to build Cartethyia in Wuthering Waves. About Cartethyia. Rarity, 5-star. Element, arrow. Weapon type, sword. Team role, DPS. Gameplay and playstyle. Cartethyia has two forms, Cartethyia and fleur-de-lis, both have their benefits for the player. In Cartethyia form, basic or heavy attacks summon sword shadows. Plunging attacks will call back sword shadows for bonus damage. In fleur-de-lis form, you get bonus effects from the recalled sword shadows. Your general attacks generate conviction. Once you build up to 120 conviction, you can use a finish attack. Skill priority. Highest priority. Forte circuit. Resonance liberation. Medium priority. Normal attack. Lowest priority. Resonance skill. Intro skill. Best weapons for Cartethyia. Signature weapon, Defire's Thorn, 5-star. Base ATK, 413, bonus stat, HP 72.2%. Passive, enhanced max HP and attacker ignores target's def after attacking. Alternatives. First Red Spring, 5-star. Guardian Sword, 3-star. Best Echo sets. Best choice, Windward Pilgrimage, Echo cost, 44111. Effects, increases arrow DMG, crit. Rate. First entry choice, Gusts of Welkin and Sierra Gale, Hybrid Echo set. Best Echo stats. Main stats. Crit rate / crit DMG. HP percent. Substats. Crit rate. Crit DMG. HP percent. Team composition recommendations. 1. Premium team. Cartethyia, DPS. Syacona, sub-DPS. Arrow Rover, healer. 2. Hyper carry teams. Variations of Cartethyia, Syacona, Shorekeeper, and Arrow Rover. Final thoughts. Cartethyia is a top-tier DPS character for the players who want to use arrow erosion teams. Players should consider augmenting their gameplay with top-up services for resources. Thanks for watching. If you interested gacha games, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe Cartethyia YT. Until then, take care.